Welcome to this video today, step-by-step guide on how to restore Facebook group when receivingly removed your group message in 2025. If your group was removed due to a system error or meta error, don't worry. Your group was removed for violating community standards. However, in many cases, this is a mistake, especially with groups that grow quickly or have sensitive content. Let's restore the group with just a few simple steps. First, download the Chrome extension via the Google Drive link in the video description. This extension is designed to automatically generate and send a group recovery template to Facebook. Enable developer mode in the upper right corner. Select Load Unpacked, then select the extracted folder. Unzip by right-clicking on the folder and extract. Then hold the left mouse button and drag the folder in. The extension will be added successfully. The extension icon will appear on the browser toolbar. Click on the extension icon. A form will appear. Request that we removed your group. Review and restore Facebook group. This form allows you to submit a restoration request for your Facebook group that was removed or suspended. Please provide accurate information to help us review and process your appeal. First, you need to select the type of issue your team is experiencing by clicking on Select an Issue. Next, paste the Facebook group link into the Link to the Group box, then enter the correct group name into the Name of the Group box, writing it exactly as the original name so that Facebook can easily verify it. In the Upload a Screenshot section, you need to upload a screenshot related to the group that was violated or removed. Click Select Image. Select the image file in .png or .jpg format. For example, you can take a screenshot of the "We removed your group" message from an email or from the group admin panel. Note before submitting you must be an admin. The group does not violate, and only submit one request. In this step, you need to explain why your group should be reinstated. Be polite, clear, and convincing. For example, this group is healthy and does not violate community standards. It may have been removed by mistake. Please reconsider. To save time, I have prepared a sample notepad file in the download folder. You can open it, copy the content, and paste it into the box below. Double-check all the information you have filled in. Then, click the Send Request button. Once submitted, you'll see a success confirmation message and your request will be forwarded to Facebook's review team. After successfully submitting the form, I went back to the Facebook group management page to check. Initially, the group showed the status. Group is suspended, meaning it was disabled. But after just a few minutes, the status was updated to Group has no issues, meaning Facebook had reviewed and restored the group.